Somewhere in the southern sky tonight, you could step outside, let your eyes adjust, and see another galaxy. No telescope, no app, just your own two eyes looking across 163,000 light-years. But here's the thing that keeps nagging at me. This galaxy shouldn't look like this. A galaxy that's only about 10 to 20% the mass of the Milky Way, out there on its own, probably shouldn't be exploding with new stars the way the Large Magellanic Cloud is. Something is pushing it, pulling it, stirring it up. Look toward the center left of this crop, along the galaxy's bright bar, that blazing knot of white and blue. That's the Tarantula Nebula region, one of the most ferocious star-forming factories in our entire local group of galaxies. If it sat where the Orion Nebula does, it would cast shadows on Earth at night. The pink and violet haze around it is ionized hydrogen, raw gas being cooked into new stars right now while we watch. Then drift down to the lower center, away from the main body. See that separate island of blue-green light? That's not a smudge on the lens. It's a whole complex of star clusters and nebulae floating out there like a suburb the city forgot about. The Milky Way's gravity tugs on the LMC constantly, stretching it, squeezing it, shaking loose clouds of gas that collapse and ignite. That tidal wrestling match is likely why both regions are so alive with new stars. Over to the center left of the frame, scattered blue clumps drift outward from the main bar, star-forming regions pulling away from the core, shaped by 2 billion years of gravitational nudging. And in about 2 billion more, models suggest the LMC won't just pass by, it'll fall in. The Milky Way will swallow it whole. A whole galaxy, visible without a telescope, close enough to watch being slowly torn apart and reborn. Most people in the Northern Hemisphere have never seen it once, and the ones who live under southern skies sometimes walk past it every night without knowing what they're looking at. Does knowing what it is change what it feels like to see it? Or does the mystery actually get bigger? We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the data shows next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.